Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is the Fitspark external mic for the Eagle i9 action camera. This is the mic, this is the 2.5mm jack that the action camera does support. Packaging is very basic. I mean, it almost feels like a repackaging job. So this is the setup that I'll be using on my action camera for the next few videos. I hope the mic works. So this white wire is connected to my laptop, so ignore that. But this is the 2.5mm jack and my mic is placed here. You can see it's placed on this strap over here. I've placed it here. So it's inside the helmet. So let's go and find out how this works. So right now I'm testing the mic with the visor open and we're going to ride my RS200 and see how it feels. I don't think you're going to get very good exhaust sound now. Are you getting exhaust sound? Okay, right now the visor is still open. There's a lot of breeze. I don't know if you can hear the breeze. There's still some breeze. There's still some breeze. Now I'm going to close the visor. Okay, the visor is closed. How is the audio? Checking audio. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope this action camera solves most of the problems that I am facing with audio on my YouTube channel. My helmet visor is not that clean, yeah. So if I hope audio is coming, because I haven't put this on the laptop to check, but if audio is coming, this is an original Fitspark mic which has a 2.5mm jack. It's supposed to be used with this camera, and as far as I know, it's not compatible with older Fitspark action cams. It costs 999 rupees, which I think is a little overpriced because it's just a mic. They could have priced it at 550 bucks for the packaging. Yeah, I'll put the packaging video over here. It's kind of basic, almost looks like a rebrand. Just to let you know that this mic is available with a 3.5 with USB type C as well. The newer Fitspark models, they don't have a 2.5mm jack. They have a type C connector. So if you're buying this mic, just check what you have on your camera and then buy the same mic from wherever, Amazon, Flipkart, whatever it is. So that was a quick look at the Fitspark 2.5mm jack mic. The audio is crisp. It even comes with a muffler, if you want to call it a muffler. It suppresses the sound. It doesn't make it jarring, or it doesn't make it sound like it's coming from one direction, which is very, very good. And I think it's a good addition to your vlogging setup. Only thing is 999 rupees is pretty expensive for a mic. I think it could have been priced a little lower, as I said before. But yes, the audio is good. I'll have to adjust the mic a little bit because it's sitting right here in the helmet. And I'm so used to speaking a little bit louder so that the external mic could catch my audio. So I'll have to tune the way I speak now, because this is very loud, and I think even now when I edit the video, I'll have to tone down the audio a little bit because it's quite loud when I heard it just now on the laptop. Very punchy, low down, very rideable in city traffic. Checking audio. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's all for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, like, share, subscribe. Always wear your helmet, ride safe, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. There's 7,000 subscribers and the channel is growing at a good rate.